Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 11 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom in order to find additional settings. Now let's tap on language and region, and here as you can see we've got two different languages currently added to this list. Of course we can add more just by tapping on edit, and here we've been transferred to the available languages. Let me remove the Russian and here as you can see we can simply find the language we would like to set, and in order to add it to the previous list we have to just tap on this plus icon. So let me pick the Netherlands. And your device will ask you if you just want to add this language to the previous list, or you can set it as a default. So of course I'll pick yes, and as you can see immediately actually we've got the full menu in the Netherlands, in the chosen language, right? Of course, if you've got like two different languages added, so we've got English and the Netherlands, we can simply reorder them in order to fastly change the how's it called? The language. Let me enter this section again, and here we can. Okay, I thought that it was a misclick. Here we can simply tap on the particular one, hold it, and now we can drag it. So let me drag it to the very first place, and your device will ask you if you want to change the language. So let's change it. And from now on, again, we've got English set. So as you can see, if you've got the languages added to this particular section, it's so easy to manipulate between them and change it within basically one swipe and click. Currently, you know how to remove the languages from this list because I've previously removed the Russian. So just tap on minus icon, and basically, as you can see, you've got only one language left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your OnePlus 11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.